Hola to all my fans. I want to thank you for signing in. We are in our way to Gallenberg. Shut up. We are trying to get away from the hurricane. And we went to Chattanooga and had a little bit of fun. And now we decided to make some times up before the hurricane comes up to the Carolina. And then we're gonna go back down to I-75. I want to put my wife on so she can say something.
Hi.
We appreciate your people signing in, please.
Subscribing.
Oh, subscribing. I'm sorry. I have my professor. She's gonna let me or her friends, all 27 of her friends, gonna subscribe to my station. Allá tenemos a Nathan, the one that fell off the raft yesterday. Nathan.
Hi.
Hi. Y bueno, y aquí tenemos a la señora que.
Papa, not everyone speaks Spanish.
Oh no.
No.
You speak Spanish? Yes, the lady that fell off the raft yesterday, 2 days ago. My big toe is killing me because I lost my nail there in whitewater rafting. Pero bueno, I'll be posting some more stuff later on.
Some more.
To all the haters, we'll continue to hate.
Screw you.
To all the lover.
Papa, you don't
Look.
have either subscribers or haters.
Wait, I gotta prepare for a big. Here we are, and no, we're not signing off yet. Freca. We are. Coño, no se ve nada bonito aquí. A ver. Estamos on I-75 in Tennessee. Y bueno, we'll get there when we get there. Signing off. Hold on. Peace out.